Hey guys, it's Natasha again. Hey, I cheated. I'm gonna do another one, and then I'm gonna release the video another day. See, I'm bad. I know other people do it. I know it. But anyway, wanted to do something I haven't done in like forever. I'm gonna do an open cup pour. I used to do them all the time. I have all this paint left over from the last pour that you saw, hopefully. If not, I'm going. Let me see. That would be video number 2. If you're interested. It was pretty. I'm just putting a base coat of white. I didn't want to have you go through the whole rigmarole of explaining. Will tell you that it's just the Artist Loft white mixed with Floetrol, well, my Floetrol mix, which is the, you know what, I'm putting it in the description so I don't have to keep telling you that. That way I don't bore you, because I know I'm probably going to do that. I talk too much, I'm too much of a goofball, but hey, this isn't going very far. Okay, I know, I was like, don't do it, just put it on, and now look, it's taking forever. Alright, bear with me. Wish I could sing. I can, well, let me rephrase that. I sing all the time, but I don't sing well, so I won't do that to you, but this would be a good time to do that. Okay. I just wanted to get a base on so that it'll like move around easy. Let's do a little bit of bubble popping. Bubble popping. See? Bubble popping. Okay. Okay, so I got this. See how cute this is? What do you call it? Goodwill. Go to Goodwill and you look in their little, you know, where they have all the cups and whatnot, you can find crap like this. Like, I think it's a napkin holder thingamajigger, but I don't know. But anyway, it's perfect for this. And you can see through it, so this is going to be good for y'all. Okay, so I think I'm going to start at the corner. Oh, I need to put like a little, no. See, it's been a while, forgive me. Okay, so let's see. I'm not going to use any satin enamel. You know, maybe I will. I've never tried that before. It might be interesting. Okay, so let's see. I'm just going to go crazy. I'm just going to put whatever I feel. Okay, so let's start with the, let's start with the, what color, guys? I don't know. I guess I'll start with white, regular white. Put some in there, just to kind of get it happy. And then I'll put, you know what, I'm going to do the same basic layering as the last time with my last painting. So what will happen is this will start to move on its own, and it's really cool. Let's see if I can't get it to start moving by just put a little bit around here. Okay, it's kind of stuck, so I'm gonna have to lift it a little bit. There we go. Come on out. Join the party. Okay, so I just did the red. Let's do, now I'm singing. Good God, look what I've done. Okay, we'll put some gold. And I think we'll do some blue. And then we'll go with, you know what, let me add some satin enamel just for shits and giggles. There we go. Like I said, I've never tried it before. I'm sure it's fine. One does not know which one does not know. Okay, my favorite, Prussian blue mixed with the Colbalt metallic blue, Artist Loft. Hey, this little dude's not moving. Okay, I guess I'm gonna have to moving across the board. And then I'll stop, and then I'll do it again. Well, it's falling off, so I guess I'm gonna have to come on over here a little bit. Yeah, I have to level my thing. I don't know why it's not level. It was level before. Okay, we'll do different, so it looks a little different. So we started with yellow, so let's start with blue. And then we'll put some Colbalt and Prussian blue mix. Actually, let's get that all in there. I like it. I really wish you could see this color. Like, I have a feeling it's not coming through as beautiful as it is. Okay, what do I got? Let's do some satin enamel. And then we'll do purple. Did I do purple? Well, let's do more purple. I don't know. Okay. And we'll do some, actually, let's do some gold. And we'll do red. And then we're going to do a bit of orange. And some really yellow. Yellow. And then we'll do regular white. Okay, I'm going to just put this. Okay, let's move this bad boy around too. And for me, there's no rhyme or reason. I do whatever. And I think I'll do, there's probably enough. You know what, there's enough. And if I have to add more, I will. Okay, let's do a little bit of torch. Okay, let's go at it. I think it might be pretty. At least the colors are cool looking. I have not done this in so long. I'm feeling like a dork. I'm like, oh no, maybe it won't work. I know it'll work. Even if it doesn't work, it works. You know what I'm saying? Okay, I'm getting cells. That's good. Go off the side. Ooh, don't want to lose too much of that. It's pretty. Okay, come back to center a little bit. I can't see, but I'm assuming that's about center. Okay. I'm going to come down and then I'm going to go to that corner. Get some of that white off. And then I'm going to come back up. Sorry, again, camera angle. And then this corner. Can you see this? Oh, God. Okay. I think I got, let me check corners. Nope. That little guy. You know what? Let me use my hand. That should be okay. Okay. I'm just going to come back down really quick. Look how pretty that is. Oh, I like it. I'm having, oh, my situation is a goofy over here. Ooh, look. Okay, I need a paper towel. It's bad. Yep, I'm covered in it. I'm covered in goo. Okay, gotta let it sit and get happy. You know what? That satin enamel in there, I think, is a good idea. It did some cool stuff. I think I'm gonna have to move it around a little bit more because there's a lot of paint on there. I'm just giving it a second to see what happens. I think I'm gonna torch one more time. There we go. So pretty. This, see the gold's coming up and the red. I think I'm going to come off this side. I think this is the side I don't like as much as everything else. And plus, that'll elongate this. Okay, ready? Let me turn it around so that you can see this. Okay, let's see what happens if I just go down. Okay, I don't want to lose over here to the right or my right, because that's really pretty. So I'm just going to keep going a little bit. What do you think? Moving over and then down. Yes, I do talk to myself this much. Basically, I'm just letting my inside voice be outside voice onto the camera for YouTube. Woohoo! Okay, and then I'm going to come back. Sorry, you can't see it. Okay, actually, I'll move it. Sorry. I suck at this. What do you think? I think it's pretty rad. I'm losing kind of the shape of things, so I better stop. Well, I'm wearing my lucky Legend of Zelda shirt, so I think that's why these paintings look kind of cool today. It's not helping the mess I'm making, that's for sure. Oh my God. Wow. You'd think I was a 5-year-old mounted paint on me. Okay, let's see. What do you think? Think I should leave it? Think I should move it? I don't know. You know what? I'm thinking just this way, just a little bit. Stop moving, so I think maybe that's moving a little bit. Nah. No, I'll leave it be. I don't want to take away something that's already there. Okay, I think this is nice, short, little sweet one. I'll probably release them on the same day because, ooh, this is coming up even more. The lacing is actually coming up even more. I think this one's going to dry kind of cool. I have a feeling it's going to look different when it's dry. I'm kind of excited about this one. Okay, guys, what else? Is there anything else I want to tell you? Nope, same old that you say every time. Okay, like, subscribe, share with your friends if you like me, ring that little bell doohickey, and leave a tip if you want. I think that's all. I'll put everything in the description that I think you need, like, you know, the paint colors and all that good stuff, and the style. Yeah, I'm hoping I'm getting better at this, so please let me know. Let me know if I'm talking loud enough, because that was something that people mentioned. Yeah, or any ideas that, you know, any type of styles you want me to try. I can't do Dutch pour. I really suck at it, so don't ask for that one. Yeah, so that's it, I guess. And, yeah, be well. Be happy. Smile. Hug your dog. That's all. Love to you all. Bye.